Service has issued a warning for Galveston, Texas. We don't know what kind of warning. They just said it was a warning. I am as confused as you are. Just stay put. Don't go outside or do anything. Stay put. An update. We have relentlessly called them, and we got nothing. Literally nothing. I talked to my manager, my higher-ups, my coworkers. I seriously don't know whether to stay on this emergency alert system broadcast or go to regular programming. They keep elaborating by just saying it's a warning. A warning for what? I don't know what to do, and I think the contacts of the National Weather Services have been hijacked. We will resume to regular programming.